In this video, I will show you how you can activate Siri on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Siri. From here, just tap on Talk to Siri. Now on this page, just select how you want to activate Siri. If you want to use Siri by just pressing and holding on the side button, just enable this toggle, then select Enable Siri. But if you want to use your voice to enable Siri, just select Hey Siri or Siri and Hey Siri. I will select Siri or Hey Siri, then tap on Continue. Now from here, just say the following sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now just tap on Done, and after you do that, you will set up Siri on your phone. Now as you can see, if I say Hey Siri, I will turn on Siri on my iPad. And even if I press and hold on the side button, Siri will turn on. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.